Hello everyone, welcome to our new video today. On my right hand is the new products we're carrying today. This is a single door double deck, the pizza ovens and countertop stylings. Let me give you the overall dimensions first. For the unit, it's about like a 26 inches wide. And the depth of the unit is about like a 29.5 inches deep. Overall tiles is about like a 20 and 3/4 inches. So as we can see, the unit coming with the 4 standing legs at the bottoms, and they can slightly adjust a bit the heights. And also we're having the 2 controllers at the front of the unit too. There's a one for the temperatures and the one for the timers. And when we open the front door, we can see they have a double deck and coming with a clay inner side. For this cooking area, it's about like a 21 inches deep, and about like a 21 inches wide too. For the clearance heights, entirely they are about like a 9 inches tall. For each of the individuals, they are about like a 3 and 1/4 inches tall at the bottoms, and the top is 2, 3 and 1/4 inches tall on the top too. And when we look in the behind of the units, this unit is coming with 220 power plugs right here and a single phase. And also we can see the stickers on the behind of the units. They have a CSA sanitation sticker sign, and they notified us using about like a 240 volt single phase. And this will be the all demonstration information about the products. And if you have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.